So you might be in a position where your iPhone volume is randomly going up and or down. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons, but the number one reason why this ends up happening is because you're basically randomly clicking the buttons. So what you're going to want to do here is flip your iPhone to the side, and the top and the bottom buttons, so the volume up and volume down buttons, what you're going to want to do is just to make sure you're not randomly clicking these buttons. So make sure your case isn't holding them down so you can remove your case and put it back on, or just make sure you're not randomly clicking these things because that can happen all the time, and that can be the number one reason why this thing ends up happening for the most part. Now, if that doesn't end up working or if that doesn't end up fixing it, another thing you're going to want to try doing is just to go ahead and make sure that your particular iPhone isn't connected to like some sort of like random third-party Bluetooth device. So if it's connected or if it's randomly connected to some Bluetooth device, it's going to change that volume to the last volume that Bluetooth device was on. So what you can do here is you can swipe down, hold down on your sound volume bar right here, and making sure that whatever you're playing the song on or whatever, that your volume isn't randomly moving because you're connected to some random third-party Bluetooth device. If that doesn't end up working, you can always come into this page here, like your control center, and move the volume up and down, and that could end up fixing the problem too. Like if you have AirPods or whatever and they're not working out that well, try moving the volume up and down here, and that could very well end up fixing the problem for you as well. If that doesn't end up working, you may want to try updating your iPhone. So make your way over to your iPhone settings. So you can come into settings like this. You're going to scroll down until you see General, which is right here. Click into Software Update, which is right up here. And all you're going to want to do is update your iPhone. And that's another thing you can try doing as well, which may end up fixing it for you. So those are pretty much the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hope I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.